At the termination of its extensive 3,000-kilometer journey, as the waters of the mighty Indus River mingle with the Arabian Sea, we encounter a region characterized by vast diversity, a place we refer to as mangroves. Mangroves provide a vital habitat for diverse species, including birds, fish, crustaceans, and other wildlife, fostering a unique and interconnected ecosystem along coastal regions. Mangroves stand as nature's defense against coastal hazards, shielding communities from storm surges, tropical cyclones, mangroves hold about 0.15% of total forest area but can store carbon content is decuple compared to any other land ecosystems. Adaptations enable mangroves to survive and thrive in coastal ecosystems. The roots provide stability in the muddy substrate, support the tree in variable water levels, and making mangrove ecosystems effective carbon sinks. Mangroves, vital coastal ecosystems that provide critical ecological services, face depletion, driven by agricultural expansion or urbanization, directly contribute to the loss of mangrove habitats. Planting mangroves is imperative, given their pivotal role as carbon sequestering elements. WWF has taken the initiative to boost the mangrove population, aiming to enhance their carbon sequestration capacity and contribute to a healthier environment.